Hey, what's up guys, it's Casey here. Today I'm going to be showing you the process of me restoring these Jordan 4 white cements from 2016. So I started off by just cleaning them with a brush, then I threw them in the laundry and I used a pillowcase. Then I tried to get some creases out with a warm damp cloth and iron. And I tried to glue the sole back together a little, but didn't go too well. Then I sanded it, in the areas I was going to paint. And I painted the netting, and in between when the netting was drying, I painted, the main part, and I let it dry. And of course, before I started painting in the first place, I took acetone to pretty much everything, so the factory paint would come off a little, so I could get some things to stick. Here I used a Sharpie because I didn't have anything better, just to replicate some of the spots I took off with the acetone. Then I finished everything with the acrylic finisher, and this is before. They're pretty beat up, and this is after. I think this is honestly one of the best restorations I've ever done. I'm super happy with how they came out. I didn't let the paint dry in there very long, and I wore them to school, so the paint started cracking just a little, so I'm going to have to fix them up just a little more around the toe box. But yeah, they came out super good. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video with probably some more Jordan 4s.